अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब मज़े में होंगे और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रख रहे होंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज है इंडिपेंडेंस डे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू यू ऑल। सो आज हम बहुत ही मज़े की इंडिपेंडेंस डे की लुक क्रिएट करेंगे। आई होप यू लाइक द लुक, सो एंजॉय द वीडियो। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम जस्ट कंसीलिंग माई फेस, माई डार्क एरियाज। सो मैंने कंसीलर अप्लाई कर लिया है, इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करते हैं। So friends, my concealer is done. Now I'm applying my eyeshadows. So I'm using two eyeshadow colors, and these are green and white because it's our Independence Day. So our flag colors are green and white. Now take the flat brush and apply half eye with green eyeshadow. So friends, my green eyeshadow is done. Now I'm applying the white shade on my half eye. So I'm applying the white shade. So friends, I applied the both shades. Now I blend them with a beautiful brush. So blend it very nicely. So friends, my upper eyes are done. Now the shade I taken is white, and I apply in under eyes to make a beautiful flag line. So friends, I applied the white line. Now I'm applying the green liner under my eyes to make a beautiful flag line complete. So it looks so nice and beautiful. So friends, my eyeshadow is done. Now I'm applying the liner on my eyes. friends, my complete eye look is now complete. So it looks so nice. Now I'm going to apply the blush on my cheeks. So friends, I have done with my blush on. Now I'm applying lip color on my lips. So friends, my makeup look is almost complete. Now I'm going to style my hairs. So friends, my makeup look is now complete. Now I'm going to accessorize myself, my look. So I'm using these bangles and it have two colors, green and white. So friends, my bangles are done. Now I'm confused to wear the earrings, this one or this one. So I am choosing the bigger one. So I'm going to wear these. So friends, my look is now complete. I hope you liked my look and you must try this look on this Independence Day. So friends, I hope you liked today's look. I hope you liked today's video. So friends, if you liked today's video, kindly like, share, comment. Now I'm going to wear a beautiful flag on my clothes. So friends, I will see you in next video. Kindly like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Pakistan Zindabad. Jashn-e-Azadi Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.